In this video, I will show you how to add column in Word. To add a column, click on the Insert tab, select Table. Now decide whether you want 2 column or 3 column. Now let's put some random text here. Now click on View and check the ruler box here. Now you can see the ruler marks here. You can even adjust the distance between the columns like this. Now it's time to remove this border. Click on Table Design, click on Borders and choose No Border. This is how you add column in Word. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.